Hey guys, this is Chris again. Come at you with another video. Today's video is a unboxing video. As you can see, and by the title of the video, you can tell this is the Orient Triton. Pretty killer watch. I gotta say, so far I'm pretty impressed. Just gonna do a quick little intro. Today, Clemson is kicking off against Georgia Tech somewhere in the Doxa. Probably switch up to either the SKX or the Orange Monster later today. The game, we play them at 8 o'clock, so it's that time of year again, football season kicking off. But I'm going to go back to tabletop view, and we'll show you the watch, do a quick little unboxing, and my first impressions of the watch. Alright, later. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with this. Overall first impressions on this unboxing of this Orient is definitely a killer piece, especially for that price, under $400 on it. I got mine off of longisland.com. This is in no way a sponsored video, though. Mark, if you are watching this from Long Island and you do want to sponsor the channel, feel free to get in contact with me. But I did buy this with my own money. Like I said, these are usually about $450, so under the $500 price range. This is definitely a killer watch. About a little over 43 millimeters, 43 and a half, and it's about 13.6 millimeters thick, so it's not a real thick watch. But overall, with the presentation, this Orient box is actually a really nice box. You know, the normal plastic boxes that they usually come with. This Orient actually kind of reminds me of a mix between like a Ray or Mako and a saturation diver. This is almost like a mini saturation diver. Of course, you can see the power reserve there. And like I said, in-house movement, sapphire crystal. Like I said, look for a full review of this guy coming up about another week or two once I've had it for a little bit, you know, get to test the waters. So far, everything seems pretty cool. The bezel action is really good, really smooth. And that threaded, that crown is really, really smooth whenever you change the time on it. And I went with the black model because, as you know, I have an oversaturation, pun intended. I'm glad I went with the black dial. This one's pretty killer. I may end up getting a stripe code Jubilee, just like that one that was on my buddy James's SKX that he has. That's a pretty killer Jubilee. I think that would look really good on this actual stock bracelet is actually really, really comfortable too, though. This Asian angle style bracelet. But overall, just wanted to give you first impressions of the watch. And it is definitely a really, really killer watch. I'll show you the fit of it really quick on here. What it looks like on my 7.5 inch wrist. It is about the same size as that Doxa I'm wearing. Of course, I do have to get some links removed off this bracelet. You can see there, I think it fits pretty decent. Like I said, overall, definitely suggest this if you think about it. Doesn't matter what color you go with. You can get them on Long Island, you can get them on Amazon, and there's a couple other sellers, I believe, possibly Creation Watches sells them. But like I said, for the money, you can't really beat it for $400. This is right in almost everybody's sweet spot. But anyways, guys, this has been a quick little unboxing, first impressions of the Orient Triton Diver. Let me know what you guys think of that. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Alright, peace.